Alright folks, I've got a baritone ready. It's number 949, and this is me getting caught up on this winter's instruments after my hand surgeries. So this one has a beautiful spruce top and curly walnut back and sides. And this curly walnut comes from Kevin at Wood from the West. I believe it's from around Medford, Oregon. And then the spruce is from up near in British Columbia. It's got pistachio for all the other stuff up front. Little rope, sound hole binding, and then no binding on the rest of the instrument. The neck is some salvaged mahogany. So very resonant, very lightweight, really fun to play. Yeah, really long sustain. Okay, so that's number 949. Ready to go. Cheers.